Hello students, in this video you will find merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. First I am going to tell you merits, achievements. Point number 1, grouping of elements or the study of elements. Mendeleev's periodic table made the study of elements and their compound more systematic and more easier. The study of 63 elements discovered at that time is reduced to the study of only 8 groups. Hence, it simplified the study of and remembering the properties of elements. And also it was found that on moving across a period, the properties of element varies gradually. Next point, Mendeleev left a gap in his periodic table for undiscovered element. When Mendeleev was arranging the elements in his periodic table in the increasing order of their atomic weights, atomic mass, and also he was strictly following the similarity in the properties of elements. He was placing the elements having same property in the same group. Then he left a gap in his periodic table for undiscovered element. He predicted the existence and properties of 6 elements and named these elements. First, एक boron. Number 2, एक aluminium. Number 3, एक silicon. Number 4, एक manganese. Number 5, manganese. Number 6, एक tantalum. Nowadays, these elements are known as एक boron is scandium, एक aluminium is gallium, एक silicon is germanium, and that was एक manganese. He gave the name. Nowadays, this element is known as technetium. Manganese. He gave the name. Nowadays, this element is manganese. That is rhenium. And एक tantalum, atomic number 105, that is dubnium. Technetium atomic number 43. That was, before discovery, the name was given एक manganese. Nowadays, technetium, atomic number 43. Like that, manganese, before its discovery, before that, in Mendeleev's time, the name was given manganese. And after discovery, its name is rhenium, atomic number 75. एक tantalum, after discovery, that element's name is dubnium, atomic number 105. Now I hope you have understood. Another thing, prediction of the properties of undiscovered elements. Mendeleev predicted the existence and properties of these elements, undiscovered element, which were to be discovered. And all the undiscovered elements were later discovered, and it was found that the elements had the properties similar to those as predicted by Mendeleev. For example, First example is scandium. Second one, aluminium. And third one, germanium. What was their name given by Mendeleev in the beginning? Scandium was Eka boron and gallium was Eka aluminium and silicon was Eka silicon that time, nowadays germanium. Then these elements scandium, aluminium, germanium had the properties similar to those properties as predicted by Mendeleev for Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon respectively. Next point, correction of the doubtful atomic mass of certain elements. In Mendeleev's periodic table, known atomic weights of certain elements were doubtful. He corrected the atomic weights and placed in the proper position in his periodic table. For example, beryllium was given the atomic mass, atomic weight of 13.5, which was calculated on the basis of equivalent mass, this is equivalent weight or equivalent mass into valency. This is formula. Then equivalent mass of beryllium was 4.5. Valency was 3. It was coming 13.5. This 13.5 atomic weight, atomic mass of beryllium demanded its position between carbon and nitrogen. But its property doesn't justify this position in the periodic table. Then Mendeleev changed its valency from 3 to 2 and calculated its atomic mass. What is that? Then its atomic mass is 9. 4.5 into 2, atomic mass is 9. And he placed this element between lithium and boron. Like this, he corrected the atomic mass of gold and platinum also. Now let us see drawbacks, demerits. First, anomalous pairs of element. Disorder. What is that? In Mendeleev's periodic table, elements were arranged in the order of their increasing atomic weights, atomic masses. But there were certain pair of elements which were just not following this order. Number 1, argon atomic mass 39.9 precedes the potassium of atomic mass 39.1. Argon is heavier than potassium, but it is placed before potassium. This is the drawback. Next, pair cobalt of atomic mass 58.9 placed before the element nickel with atomic mass 58.6. Here cobalt is heavier than nickel. It should be placed after nickel, but it was placed before nickel. This is also drawback. Third pair, tellurium with atomic mass 127.6 is heavier than iodine, 126.9 atomic mass. But tellurium is placed before iodine. These are some anomalous pair present in Mendeleev's periodic table. This is a drawback, demerit. Second one, position of hydrogen is controversial. It resembles with first group element, lithium, sodium, potassium, like that, and also resembles with the 7A group element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, etc. Because it forms positive ions like first group element and also form negative ions like 7A group elements. Then hydrogen position in Mendeleev periodic table is not clear. Next, position of isotopes. The element atoms having same atomic number but different atomic mass are called isotopes. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, isotopes of an element must be given a separate place in the periodic table. But these isotopes of elements were not given separate place in the periodic table. This is also one drawback. Next point, separation of chemically similar elements. Some elements which were chemically similar, like copper and mercury, chemically similar, but they were placed in separate group. Like that, other elements were also there, like gold and platinum, placed separately. Next point, grouping of chemically dissimilar elements, like copper, silver, gold, were placed with lithium, sodium, potassium, but their property was not similar. Lithium, sodium, potassium, highly reactive metals, but copper, these silver, gold, they do not react. That their property is different, not matching with the sodium, potassium. Hence, these are placed, hence that dissimilar elements are placed together. This is one drawback. Next point, electron arrangement. Mendeleev's periodic table does not explain about the electronic arrangement of element atoms. That is another drawback in Mendeleev's periodic table. That's all for today. Again, next video you will get, in which there is very important things given. Thank you.